Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a feature-packed drone that seems designed with new pilots in mind. This is a generic model, but it comes in a vibrant orange color and includes a handy bag for transport, making it easy to take along on your adventures. One of the standout features of this drone is its visual obstacle avoidance system. This is a significant safety net, especially for those just learning to fly. The system is designed to detect obstacles in its path, helping to prevent collisions and giving pilots more confidence as they navigate. It's a crucial addition that adds a layer of security to flights. For capturing aerial views, the drone is equipped with dual cameras. While the branding mentions 4K HD, the video capture resolution is specified at 1080p, with still photos coming in at 12 megapixels. Having two cameras allows for different perspectives or potentially simultaneous recording, offering flexibility in how you capture your footage and photos from the air. The quality provided by these cameras is suitable for casual aerial photography and videography. Stability is key for smooth flight, and this drone utilizes both GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS is essential for outdoor flight, allowing the drone to lock onto satellites for precise, hovering, and accurate navigation. Optical flow positioning assists with stability when flying indoors or in areas where GPS signals might be weak, helping the drone maintain its position even without satellite lock. This combination ensures a stable and predictable flight experience, which is particularly beneficial for beginners. The control range and image transmission distance are quite impressive for this class of drone, reaching up to 1,200 meters. This long range allows pilots to explore a significant area while maintaining a clear, high-definition view from the drone's camera thanks to the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Being able to see exactly what the drone sees in real time over a substantial distance enhances the flying experience and makes framing shots much easier. Powering the drone is a modular smart battery. This design makes swapping batteries quick and easy if you have spares, although this package includes one. The battery provides an average flight time of around 18 minutes. While not the longest flight time available on the market, 18 minutes is sufficient for capturing some good footage or practicing flight maneuvers. And the modular design means you can extend your flying session by simply swapping in a fresh battery. Beyond these core features, the drone is described as beginner-friendly, which makes sense given the inclusion of GPS, optical flow, and especially the visual obstacle avoidance. It's also app-controlled, which is standard for modern drones, allowing access to flight modes, camera settings, and real-time video feed directly from a smartphone. The combination of stable positioning, safety features, and app control makes this drone an accessible option for adults looking to get into the hobby of flying drones. The bright orange color also makes it easy to spot in the sky. Overall, it presents itself as a capable entry-level drone packed with features often found on more expensive models, making aerial exploration more accessible and safer for new pilots.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.